Okay, so welcome back everyone, and welcome to lesson 3 on using the TinyBit little robot that uses the microbit to control it. Okay, so we're going to start getting our little TinyBit to move today. So again, I'm just going to check what you have. So you should have the presentations that we're going to use today. So we're going to start with the first one, which is the advance, which we're going to get the little robot to move forward. Okay, so what do we need to have here? So if I go across, this is the presentations you need for this one. We're going to be using the makecode.microbit.org website, and I'm going to show you again how to put the extension on there because I've seen lots of people not being able to do that, so we'll make sure that's done as well. Okay, so what do you need as well? You need your TinyBit or your robot, and you need the adapter if you have a new laptop, or a cable. You'll need a microbit here, and there's a cable here, and of course you'll need your robot. Okay, so let's get started. And first things first, we need to open up the first presentation here, advance. Okay, so we want to use this mode here, online programming mode, and the website is linked here as well. And we need to take this link here, copy it, Command C. It's not this one down here, it's this one. Okay, and we need to bring it over to our makecode.microbit.org here. So you click here, it should open up this, and we need to make a new project, and this one will be lesson 3, advance. Okay, you only need to have one of these really today, you don't need any more, and create. Okay, so you'll see straight away that there is no TinyBit extension on here. So you need to click on this button here. It says extensions. And then you need to paste the link that you found and press enter. And you'll see the TinyBit extension is here. Okay. So I got that from the presentation here, and it's on every single presentation. So you shouldn't be able to, it shouldn't be hard to find. Okay. In fact, I'll link it on here as well, so then you can find it even easier. Okay, so that's it. Once you've done that, then you should have a new option here called TinyBit, and it should be it should show up here, so we can access these here. Okay, just gonna hit enter on that again just to see if that'll load up. Not sure why it's not loading. Let's give it a minute. Okay, there we go. Okay, so very straightforward. The first one, very easy. On the microbit here, and I'll switch over to here, there is 2 motors on the back. Okay, and you should check that they're both able to move freely. If not, you can push them out a little bit here, make sure that the wheels can turn easily, and you can see that the 2 connectors are on here. So this is the 2 motors, and of course if we move one motor one direction and the other motor, it'll move it forward, and this is just a little wheel at the front to let it move forward. Okay, so what we'll do then is we will get the code going, and then we'll download it to our microbit. Okay, so let's see what the code is then. So here we just want to take this one here, and this is what the code looks like. Very straightforward, this one. Forever block, we take the TinyBit and we do car control run. Okay, there's different options on here, but we're just going to do run for now. So this is important. So we need to connect that up to our microbit. So I'll just move it over there so you can see that. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so we're going to connect up our microbit here. Get the adapter on. Plug it in. And download the code. Okay, so I recommend actually you download the code here first before plugging it into the robot, because it may start moving, so we don't want to do that straight away. So download the code here first, and then we can do that. So another one that I've seen most people not doing either is how to connect this up correctly here. So you need to make sure you click on these 3 dots here and click on, mine's connected already, so I'm just going to show you how to connect it again. I'm just going to close that. Okay, so here You may need to reload the page. I'm going to click here, connect device, click on next, next, and it should pop up here. And we want to connect. Done. Okay. So now when I press download, it should start flashing and it'll say it's downloaded. Okay. So now what I want to do is want to disconnect that. Okay. Move it to one side. Plug this in here. Okay. And then you should be able to switch, make sure the switch is off before you plug it in. So then we switch it on. And the robot should start moving forward. So it is pretty quick, so be very careful with it. So it's just so it's trying to take off there. So try it on the ground, maybe, just so it doesn't fall off the table. Okay. So that's the first one. Really easy. Take a screenshot of your code and attach it to today's assignment. Okay.